Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily add video transitions in Microsoft Clipchamp. So first of all, let me add these 3 videos to media in Clipchamp. I'm just going to drag and drop them like this. And now I'm going to add all these 3 videos to the timeline. So instead of dragging one by one, I'm just going to click here, select all, and then just drag them all and drop here to the timeline. Okay. And now if I play these clips, so by default, we'll have a hard cut between each clip because there's no transitions. And if we want to add a transition, we just have to make sure that the clips are placed one after the other. Navigate in between the 2 clips, and then you'll see this add transition button. Just click on it. And now we have added a default transition, which is dissolve. Now, if I click on this transition, and here on the right hand side, I'm going to expand this section transition. And here we can adjust the duration of the transition, so make it quick or longer. And we can also swap it with a different type of transition. So let's say I can change it with tiles. Now if I replay these clips, here we have the tiles transition. Next, I'm going to move this third clip and connect with the rest of the video, and I'm going to add the transition here as well. So it will be adding the same transition, but if I want to change it, so I have tiles here between the first and second video, and between the second and third video I can change it to something like let's say circular wipe. Okay, so now the first and second video will have tiles transition, and the second and third video will have circular wipe transition. And that's it, guys. This is how you add transitions in Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.